Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a message not delivered on iPhone. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you're just using regular text, not iMessage, well, make sure that you have a load on your SIM card. If you don't have a balance, well, unfortunately, the text won't go through. So for example, a text right here is set to green. Well, that means this is a regular text. If it's blue, it's iMessage, okay? So if it's not sent via iMessage and you don't have a load, well, unfortunately, it will be in a status of not delivered. I hope that's clear. Now, let's say it's still not working on both iMessage and regular text. So what do we do next? So go ahead and find your settings. Scroll all the way down, find apps, tap on it. Now go ahead and find message or messages, tap on it. And then if iMessage right here is turned off, toggle it on. Okay, if it's already on, try to switch it back off and then back on. Wait for the activation right here to properly load. Okay, and once it loads, go ahead and try to send a message and you should be good to go. If that still won't work, the Messages app can occasionally freeze or experience a visual glitch that halts data transmission. So to go ahead and fix that, go ahead and double tap on home, just like so. Force close the messaging app or any other apps. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and then reopen up the messages section and check if it works. Now go ahead and resend your specific text and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix a message not delivered on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.